Application of Fourier series. In this video, we will explore how the Fourier series helps transform smooth sine waves into square waves using harmonics. What is a sine wave? A sine wave is a smooth continuous wave that rises and falls in a regular predictable pattern. It is widely used in AC power systems, audio signals, and communication systems because of its natural and simple form. What is a square wave? A square wave switches sharply between high 1 and low 0 values. Square waves are widely used in digital electronics and PWM systems to control devices like LED and motors. By adjusting the pulse width, engineers can efficiently manage signal strength, brightness, or speed as shown in this animation. That's why we use sine waves to build square waves, and this is exactly where the Fourier series becomes essential. What is a Fourier series? The Fourier series is a mathematical method used to break down complex periodic signals into sums of simpler sine waves. This lets us construct complex signals like square waves using only sine waves. For example, a square wave with period t can be represented as an infinite sum of sine waves, where omega is equal to 2 pi divided by t is the fundamental frequency. Building a square wave using harmonics. We start with the fundamental sine wave, sine omega t. It's smooth and doesn't look much like a square wave yet, but it's the foundation. Next, we add the third harmonic, 1 by 3 sine 3 omega t. This begins to sharpen the edges of the waveform. Then, we add the fifth harmonic, 1 by 5 sine 5 omega t. The wave becomes even more square-like. As we continue adding more odd harmonics, 7th, 9th, and beyond, the approximation improves. Eventually, even though it's made only of sine waves, it looks almost like a perfect square wave. This shows how a square wave can be closely approximated by adding multiple sine waves. Importantly, only the odd harmonics like the 3rd, 5th, 7th, and so on are used in the Fourier series to approximate a square wave. Conclusion. The Fourier series shows how we can turn smooth sine waves into sharp square waves by adding harmonics. It's a cool tool used in digital electronics and signal processing to create and understand real-world signals.